Hey, Missy. Hey, Tiggs. You okay, honey? You okay, Missy? Hey, Midget. You okay, honey? You okay? She just had her babies. So, it's been a little rough after that. Oh, she smacked Midget. Oh. Oh, crap. Ah, there's about to be a cat fight here. Hey, Midget. Oh. You don't mess with her. She'll smack the crap out of you. She's done it to me many a times. That's what you have when you have cats. They'll scratch you. This one wouldn't, though. I don't know if you guys remember, but I used to have a tomcat. It was named him Thomas, and he just ran off somewhere. But early when I started my YouTube channel, I used to have him in videos and stuff, but I think he ran off somewhere. I don't know where he went though. But I got their water here, and then 3 different bowls of cat food. I'll have to refill it here in a minute, but I think they'll be fine for now. And then Missy here, and Baby, and then that's Tiggy over there. Hey, Tiggs. There's bees galore over here. That's when you know it's getting close to summer. You got these bees flying around your head. Here. She is shedding a lot. Like, there's fur coming off of her body and everything. They're all shedding, I think. Shedding season. Spring, summer. Around there. I don't think this one is shedding as much as the rest. There goes Tiggy. And then there goes... And then there's Love Bug. You've seen her in my videos, my shorts probably. Oh, I just stepped on Midget. I'm sorry, honey. I'm sorry. And there's Missy. What are you doing? Oh, there you are. That's little stinkers. Just joking, guys. Aww. I love my cats so much. They're just so cute. Hey, baby. Yeah, you can kind of tell she's a little cross-eyed, but it's in genetics and everything. So, and there's a bee. Okay, guys, I'm about to end this video, but make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel. Make sure you like, and we'll see you in the next one, guys. Bye. Say bye. Say bye, everyone. Okay, they're not in the mood. Bye, guys.